how to edit sent messages on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So, Snapchat has introduced a new feature that is editing your messages within a limited time frame of 5 minutes. So, I'll teach you how to do it. First things first, open up your Snapchat, go to the chat, and then send a message. Once you send in, if you want to edit it, you have to long press on the message, and there you'll see edit chat option. Tap on it, and that's it. Now you can easily change your message and send it again. Edited will, however, appear. And just keep in mind that you can only make these edits within 5 minutes window. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.